On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with CPA marketing using cheap traffic source. This method is beginner friendly and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, I'm using CPA group. If you want, you can join a different network and then use this same method. So once you create your accounts on CPA group and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on offer tools. Once you click on it, you are going to select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. There are a lot of different offers on CPA group, but what you have to do is that you have to select a specific country where you want to promote the offers. CPA offers, they are geo-specific, so all the offers on this platform, they have a specific country where you are allowed to promote those offers. As you can see on your screen, all these offers, you have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom so that they can take a specific action for you to earn money. There are a lot of different offers, but these offers, the payout is very low. So I'm going to show you one of the countries where you can get offers with a higher payout so that you can promote them and then earn a lot of commission anytime you get a lead. To search for a country, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to search for the country that you want. As I scroll, you can see different countries that you can select. You can see a whole lot of different countries. Any of the countries that you select, you are going to find CPA offers that you can promote to earn money. In this case, we are going to be searching for Switzerland. So just search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down. You can see the offers are loading. So let's wait for them to load. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Switzerland. You can see a whole lot of different offers, but the good part is that most of these offers have a higher payout. You can see this offer right here, the payout is $12.31. The requirement is very easy. You can see it is pin submit, so your potential visitors are required to enter their mobile numbers to get access to the game, and you are going to be paid $12.31. They don't need to buy anything. If you scroll down, you can see some of the offers, the payout is even up to $20. You can see it right here, $20.53. The requirement is pin submit. It is very simple. As I scroll, you can see many different offers. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $23.96. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. The requirement is pin submit. The devices, you can see the offer is allowed on Android. It is allowed on Apple iOS. It is allowed on desktop. So any of these devices that our potential visitors are using, they can still enter their mobile numbers to get access to the offer, and we are going to be paid $23.96. There are a lot of different offers that you can promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting an offer that has a higher payout. So you are going to be promoting this offer right here because it has the highest payout. To promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So just click on it. Once you click on the name of the offer, you can see this is the title of the offer, this is an image of the offer, and this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in Switzerland to click on this link and then enter their mobile numbers so that you can earn $23.96. You can see it right here. As you can see, the offer language is in Dutch. So if you don't understand the text, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy so that you can translate it to any language that you understand. So let me just highlight and copy the title. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come on Google, search for Google Translate. Once you search for it, you are going to paste the text right here so that it can translate to any language that you want. You can see access the related content. That is the title of the offer. If you want to understand the description, you can just highlight and copy it. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come on Google Translate, paste it right here. Once you paste it, you can see now enter your mobile number to start the download. So that is the translation of the description. Now once you have gotten to understand everything about the offer, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on it and then enter their mobile number so that you can get paid. I'm going to be showing you a cheap paid traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your link and then enter the required details for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is clicking.com. I don't know how to pronounce it well. You can see the website right here, Clicking. So just search for it. Once you search for it, you can create an advertiser's account so that you can promote your affiliate link on the website. The best part is that they have different ad formats that you can select. If you click on these 3 dotted lines, you can see ad formats. They have a lot of them that you can select to promote your affiliate link. You can see many ad formats that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. There are many of them, so any of them that you want, you can select it and then promote your affiliate link. To get access to the website, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you are going to select right here, I want to buy traffic. Once that is done, you are going to enter your name, enter your email address, enter your password. Once you enter that, you are going to enter your Skype ID right here. Once that is done, you are going to select right here, I'm not a robot. Once that is done, you are going to click right here to accept terms of service. Once you click on that, you are also going to click right here to accept the guidelines for advertisers. Once you select that, you are going to click right here, create account, so that you can create an account. Once you create your accounts, you can begin to promote your offer on this website. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see it is on publisher. You are not a publisher, so click right here, advertiser, because you want to promote your affiliate link on the website. Once you click on that, you are going to click right here, add campaign, so that you can create your first campaign. Once you click on it, you are going to select your ad format. You can see a whole lot of different ad formats that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of the ad formats that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select in-page notifications, so select that. Once you select your ad format, the next step is that you are going to give a name to your campaign. You can just type any name that you want. So let's say Swiss offer, something like this. Once that is done, you can see site type. Click on it. Once you click on it, if you want adult traffic, you can select that. Any of the traffic source that you want, you can select that. In this case, we don't need adult pictures. We don't need adult tube. Apart from adult, we can select the rest of the traffic source. So we don't need this. We don't also need this. Once you select the traffic sources, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see site category. You are going to click on it and then select any category that you want. In this case, we are going to select mainstream. So select that. Once you select mainstream, you can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that just deselect the adult category. Once you deselect adult category, it means the rest of the categories are selected. So just leave it like that. Once you scroll down, you can see retarget pixels. We don't have that. Select filter. We don't have that. So just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see CPC. That is the cost per click. How much are you willing to pay per click? So you have to enter that right here. In this case, I'm going to enter 0.04. I think this is okay. Once that is done, you can see daily budget, total budget. If you want to enter a daily budget, you can do that. A total budget, you can do that. But in this case, I'm not going to do that. So just leave it. Once you leave it, you can see maximum clicks. What is the maximum clicks that you want? In this case, I'm going to leave it at default. So just leave it. Once that is done, you can see capping. We don't want to cap anything, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you have to select the device type. So just click on it and then select any device that you want. In this case, the offer is allowed on mobile phones, so select that. Once that is done, you're going to select tablet. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see countries. You are going to select the country where the offer is allowed. So you are going to click on it and then select any country that you want. Once you click on tier 1, you can see these are tier 1 countries. You can see a whole lot of different tier 1 countries. In this case, we are going to deselect all of them and then select Switzerland. Deselect everything, leaving only Switzerland. Deselect everything. You can see all of them. Deselect them, deselect everything, leaving only Switzerland. That is the country that we are targeting. So you have to leave only Switzerland. That is where the offer is allowed. It is allowed in only Switzerland. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see region. If you want to target any region in Switzerland, you can select that. But in this case, we are targeting all over Switzerland. So just leave it. You can see connection type. We need all kinds of connections. So just leave it. Device vendors, do not select anything. Device models, do not select anything. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see device operating system. Just leave it. Device browsers, just leave it. Device language, you are going to click on it and then select the language that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting Dutch because the offer is in Dutch, so select Dutch. Once you select the language, if you want to blacklist any IP address or if you want to include any IP address, you can enter it right here. But in this case, we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, if you want to schedule your campaign on any date, you can do that, but in this case we are not going to schedule it, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see find keywords. If you want to enter any keyword, you can do that, but this is a CPA offer. We just want people who live in Switzerland to click on our link and then enter their mobile numbers, so we don't need to target any keyword because the offer is not specific, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see landing, so you are going to enter your landing page details. To enter your landing page details, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, add creative. Once you click on it, you are going to select the categories, so just select any of these categories. In this case, we are going to select mainstream so that we can get access to all kind of mainstream traffic. Once that is done, you can see in-page push notification creative name, so you are going to type any name that you want. Just type any name. Let's continue with the Swiss offer. Once that is done, you can see right here, enter URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link, so you have to go back on CPA group so that you can copy and paste your affiliate link right here. Once you come back on CPA group, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, the next step is that you are going to paste the offer title right here and the description. So you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just leave it, do not translate it to any language, because the people who see our ad will understand everything. Do not translate it to English. So once you have copied the title, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is the description. So you are going to come back on CPA group. Once you come back, you are going to highlight and copy the description of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the description, the next step is that you are going to upload an image of the offer. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group. You can see this is an image of the offer. Put your pointer on the image of the offer and then right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as. Once you click on that, click on save. Once you save the image, you are going to come back, click on upload so that you can upload the image. Once you click on upload, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. You can see it right here. The next step is that you are going to click right here, add. Once you click on add, you can see this is your creative. So the next step is that you are going to click right here, save and go back. Once you click on it, you can see this is your ad. You can see it right here. So your ad has been created. The next step is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that your ad can begin getting traffic. Once you get the traffic, most of the people who will click on your link, they are going to enter their mobile numbers so that they can download the content, and you are going to be paid $23.96. If you want to deposit money into your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can see finance. Click on it and then deposit money into your account so that your ad can begin running on the website. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.